How's it, guys? Welcome back to another new year. Happy New Year and Merry Christmas to everyone. So today I want to go over what I expect for Bitcoin within this month, and obviously we know that the spot ETF for Bitcoin is around the corner, with around about four days until the approval window. And obviously we are seeing a massive pump within today and last night. So I want to speak about that. And then I'm also going to go over my portfolio that I picked out from last year and show you exactly where I entered. And then we're going to speak about some setups that I'm looking at today, because obviously we are going to be day trading today. And if you are interested in day trading, you must have a look at my Telegram. I will put it in the link where I send out free signals every single day. And yeah, let's get straight into it. First, chat about Bitcoin, and then we'll go into the other coins. Okay, so when you look at Bitcoin at the moment, you can see that, we had two very key levels. I mean, we're talking on the daily time frame and possibly the weekly time frame, yeah. So we're going to go down to the weekly. So you can see that the weekly time frame, it's pumped, right? So we're seeing a massive rally. Even this week, we closed with a bearish candle last week on Monday. And now we've seen a huge pump just within this week, around about, I think it's a 5 or 6% candle. Let's have a look here. Around about a 7% candle, okay, already within 2 days. So one day and like 6 hours. So my levels here are 45 to 47K. And then 65K is obviously at that top to 69K. But if Bitcoin breaks 45 to 47K, we are going to see a push back up to 65. But to be honest with you, I only see Bitcoin breaking this level once the ETF gets approved. But if not, I would expect a retracement back down to around about this level here, 38,000. Why 38,000? Well, that is this this level here, this point of control where price is trading for at a very long time, at around about the whole year of 2021 to the April 2022. Okay, so this level is very, very strong, a really strong level. And if you look at the daily time frame as well, you can see that 38,000 is definitely the support that was holding throughout the whole of 2021. Okay, so I would expect price to get rejected here. You can see when we look left, I've drawn a couple. I've drawn a couple of. You can see over here, 48,000. We had a nice top over here, a nice top over here, a resistance/support. So we should see a rejection from the zone. Once we see price break this level, then obviously you're going to see a huge rally because there's not much resistance to the left here. We do have a little bit of resistance at 51K to 52K. But overall, market's looking very bullish here. There's nothing bearish about this. But I would expect a rejection within maybe today even. So basically what I'm expecting is, if Bitcoin obviously, we had this breakout right yesterday, a huge little breakout on the 4-hour time frame here. Nice little move. It was a very easy trade if you guys did take this back up to 45K. So what I'm expecting today, I'm expecting price to come down, but overall, market is bullish, and I am expecting price to just carry on to the upside, especially if we see that ETF get approved, and there is a 99% chance it will get approved. So I'm not really too worried about that. But overall, market's kind of bullish, right? I do want to quickly speak about my portfolio from last year. These are the main coins I have. Obviously, I have a lot more coins here, but these are the main coins that we chose in the Telegram group. So we bought Solana at around about like $18 to $19, and these are my levels for Solana that I'm going to be taking profit at. I didn't even take profit here. I'm going to take a bit of profit at around about 136, and then 250. I'm going to take a bit more. So this was a really, really nice pick. We had a nice entry on this retest over here. OP, this was a beautiful one. We bought it at like $1, and it's absolutely pumped to around about 3. So we 3x that. AVAX, also AVAX, beautiful entry. We entered around about $11 to $13, and we are up quite a nice amount here. These are my levels of take profit for AVAX. So, I'm looking at around about a 400% level. But you can see right now for AVAX, even if you look in the daily time frame, it's retesting, right? So this would be a good level if you guys are a swing trader. This would be a good level to take a long at, because I'll go over it, but essentially you could take a long here for AVAX. Just hold on, yeah. And you could target this high over here. Okay. Your stop loss would have to just be below this low over here, even below there. So 20% stop loss, or 14%, and you could target this level here. So if you are looking at this, I would suggest, you swing traders, so you're going to be going lower leverage, or your margin will be lower. But essentially, this would be a good trade. AVAX is looking really bullish. Yeah, I mean, there's nothing bearish about this. A nice retest trade. Looking at another 45% gain. So back up to $62 for AVAX, which is insane. CHZ, we bought CHZ at around about, let's see. Yeah, CHZ, thing with CHZ, it's still very, very clean here, guys. Very, very clean here. I mean, we entered over here at around about 0.78. So if you're looking at CHZ, you can still enter now and you can still experience a very, very nice pump. So CHZ is one of those coins that haven't really pumped that much, right? Haven't really pumped that much. So have a look at CHZ for your portfolio. I think it's going to be very, very clean. Okay, so it's a very nice coin to even buy right now. Dogecoin, I mean, we entered Dogecoin around about 0.6, 0.58. Absolutely ripped. I'm expecting Doge I'm holding Doge until Elon Musk says something on Twitter, until like some type of payment system gets added on X. So Dogecoin obviously very clean. Filecoin, we bought Filecoin at around about $4, 4.1. Filecoin has been pumping recently, even yesterday. But look at Filecoin, right? If you buy Filecoin now at $7, you could see a huge pump back up to 191. So Filecoin's still early. There's a lot of coins that are still early, guys. Chainlink, we bought Chainlink at 6.1. These are my levels for Chainlink as well. And we're up around about 200% almost. So Chainlink looks very clean. Litecoin, Litecoin, we actually bought. Yeah, Litecoin was the one we still under. We actually bought around about $80, $84. So Litecoin, you can still make quite a nice amount of money here for Litecoin. So you want to look at Litecoin, it's still a very, very good price to look at, even just to buy now. Yeah. Render, I mean, we bought Render at around about 1.5, 1.6. It's currently at around about 5. So we've almost 5x at for Render, which is absolutely insane. Yeah, so these are the main coins, and then I have a whole bunch of other coins here that I have bought throughout last year, but those are the main ones. Like Polkadot, we bought Polkadot at like 4.3. Cardano we were buying at 0.24. SWI we even bought at around about 0.44, and then Matic as well were around about 7.3. But yeah, overall market's looking really, really good. I want to just quickly run through a couple coins that I'm looking at for some intraday scalping, and let's get into it. So XRP, essentially, we took a long yesterday for XRP, but I want to show you guys something very important here for XRP on the daily time frame, right? So XRP, let's actually just take away all of these drawings here. Okay, have a look here, guys. XRP has been trading in this downtrend. It's still in a downtrend, right? But it's making these higher lows, right? So what does that mean? It's forming like a wedge pattern, right? So once we break out of this pattern, we have a huge rally here for Litecoin. I mean for XRP to around about 0.8, only around about a 24% gain. But I mean XRP is crazy. So I would suggest looking at this within the next couple of days. I want to have a look at the 4-hour time frame. Okay, so the 4-hour time frame is obviously bullish here. So if you look at the 4-hour time frame, absolutely beautiful. I'm expecting, let's have a look here. So we have a little bit of resistance here. So for me to take a long today, I would need to see a break of this level here. Okay, so this 0.6353 level, we need to see a break of that level for longs. Okay, audio, Yeah, we took a long here for audio yesterday. I'm not gonna really go over this because it's kind of at the top, so there's not much to talk about there. Yeah, Dogecoin. We actually took a long for Dogecoin yesterday. We took profit like way too earlier. It was more of just a short-term scalp. We took profit at 0.9085. But it just carried on. I mean, we would have made a lot more there, but it's a nice level. Uh, like I said, we are expecting a retracement today, guys. So, yeah, make sure you join the Telegram group because I will be sharing a lot of signals there, around about five to 10 signals a day on that group. So just make sure you join that. Yeah, comp on the 1 hour time frame is looking quite weak here. Okay, so basically, yeah, I want to see a break of this level here, and then I'll probably take some sells back down to, if we have a look at because the thing is, this is bullish, right? This is straight up bullish, to be honest with you. We have this level here. Yeah, so it's still bullish, but we are expecting a retracement. So this is something I'll look at where we see price come back down. Yeah. Okay. So comp gonna take some sells back down to this level to around about 59.3. And yeah, that is something. Those are the coins I'm looking at. Pepe, obviously Pepe is just absolutely ripped yesterday. Also, a lot of coins just pumped quite a lot. You can see we do have this level here, and it is experiencing a retest at the moment. So Pepe could be a good opportunity to take along very, very soon here. I want to see what the fib is saying, because what the fib will say is that we might see a bit more of a deeper retracement here, back down to this level here around about 0.001359, which is where I'll be looking at along as well. Okay. But yeah, those are the coins I'm kind of looking at today. Obviously, I will be sending out some signals, so make sure you do join the group for that. But yeah, if you guys do have any questions, just message me on Telegram. I'll put it in the bio, and then obviously on YouTube, you can send me a message as well. But yeah, I appreciate everyone for being with me the whole of last year. Hopefully, we can pump up this account with 1,000 subscribers in the next couple of months, and then obviously push that up to a lot higher in the future. So yeah, thanks so much, and see you for my live stream later.